Hello, everybody. Hi, everyone. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Move my feet where I'll go. Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. It's been a crazy, it's been a crazy day. Dealing with immigration mail, and immigration packages, and all that good stuff. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Let me turn this down a little bit. Hi, everyone. Happy Tuesday evening. Yeah, it is. What time is it here in Alabama? 5:36. Yeah, I have one, two, three, four ways I can tell the time. And we're so much five around here. I don't know what the time is. But come on in, come on in. Let's talk immigration. Let's talk just this down a little bit. Let's talk immigration. How you guys doing? How was I did live last week. I think I only did one live on Facebook last week because I was out of state. I was visiting Idaho. So back in the office and got a lot of work to catch up on, which is okay. This is what I do. But anyway, how's everybody doing? Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is attorney Abisola Olale Samuel, immigration attorney based in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. If you have, I squint a lot, and I hope to God that I think, is my website correct? I think it is, right? Uh, on the display. If it's not, let me know. Um, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. We got an immigration case. Case started by firm handles. We can and we do represent immigration clients regardless of the state you live in. Yeah, I can say that in my sleep because I say it all the time. But that's the truth. That's the truth. That's the truth. So come on in. Let's talk immigration. And once you come on, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. How are you? How's your Tuesday going? I hope it's not as crazy as mine has been, but listen, I still gotta show up, right? Once you come on, please say hello. Let me know you're here, and thank you for coming in and supporting. I really do appreciate that. I say it all the time because it is true. I'm grateful, and my heart is filled with gratitude. So come on in, say hello. If you have questions that I can answer, uh, I'll be a general answers I can give, then we can do that as well. But today I wanted to talk about adjustment of status based on marriage to a green card holder. Adjusting your status based on marriage to a green card holder. If you are on TikTok, I'm also on TikTok and I try to do videos, especially in Yoruba language, which is, well, yeah, Yoruba and English language, it just depends. And we're also on Instagram and YouTube. So when I broadcast on Facebook, I try to simultaneously do it on YouTube as well. So please share, please subscribe, please follow. That will be very much appreciated. Just like you tune in to get information, there are other people who also benefit from the information that you get. So, and I can't tell you how many times people call and say, hey, my friend was watching you on Instagram or YouTube and they told me, hey, that attorney was talking about something that sounds really similar to your case, and you have no idea how much it blesses people, so that is why I do what I do. So please share, and I'll appreciate that. Instagram is All Immigration. YouTube is All Law Firm, I think. TikTok is All I don't know. Just put in all in any of those social media. Trust me, I can guarantee you I'll come on. There ain't not a whole lot of people with that last name. You're welcome. So let's talk immigration. I want to talk about adjustment of status based on marriage to a green card holder. Can you file for your green card while you are present in the United States, if by marriage, can you file for your green card? Can you file for your green card based on marriage? Meaning, can you file to adjust your status and apply for legal permanent residency while you're present in the country based on marriage or a green card holder? And the answer is it depends. It depends. And if you're able to do that, when can you apply for that? So, twofold, right? First of all, can you adjust your status based on marriage or green card holder? A lot of people confuse or mix up adjustment of status and change of status. Adjustment of status is solely about you adjusting your status to that of permanent residency. Green card, change of status, on the other hand, is when you change usually from one non-immigrant status to another. Say, for instance, you came in on a B visa and then you're starting school and you need an F visa. Then you change your status to the student visa so you can go to school. Adjustment of status is not the same as change of status. Change of status is changing from one to another. Adjustment of status is adjusting to become a permanent resident of the United States. And that's what you do when you get married, or when you file application to adjust for permanent residency based on employment, because people get a green card through employment as well. So when it comes to the marriage-based application for green card, which is what we're talking about this evening, question is, are you able to adjust your status, meaning you are going from a non-immigrant status, are you able to adjust that status to your legal permanent resident status if you are filing based on your marriage to your green card holder? And the answer, and I say it depends, because so we're going to give an example. If you come in and you're currently on a non-immigrant visa, you get married, your spouse is a green card holder, meaning they're not a citizen yet. They are a green card holder. As long as you are in a valid non-immigrant status, then you're able to adjust your status to that of to become a legal permanent resident. If you are, as long as you are in valid non-immigrant status while you are physically present in the United States, then you are able or you are eligible to apply for your legal permanent residency status while you're physically present without having to leave the country. If you are out of status, say for instance, you came on a visitor visa and your authorized state, not the visa itself, because that's another thing people are always confused. Like, I have a 10-year visa to travel in and out. So no. Even if you have a 10-year visitor visa, what matters is the authorized state you're allowed to forever visit. So if you have overstayed, meaning you have stayed in the country beyond the authorized period for which you are supposed to stay, then you're not eligible to apply for your green card in the country if your marriage is to a green card holder, because only immediate relatives are privileged to be able to adjust their status even if they've overstayed their authorized period. So that is where that comes. That's the main difference. If you're married to a citizen, that's a different ballgame. If you're married to a green card holder, on the other hand, you have to be in valid non-immigrant status in order for you to be eligible to adjust your status to that of legal permanent resident. So if you are now eligible to adjust your status, an example would be you're in school, you get married to someone who is a green card holder while you're in school, right? Obviously, you have to satisfy or fulfill your obligation for your F status. So while you're in school, you get married and your spouse is a green card holder. As long as you are in valid F status after marriage and when you're about to file your green card application, you will not need to leave the country. You will be able to apply for that here. Now, it goes further. Even if you now end up being out of status, as long as you have filed your application for your green card before the expiration of your non-immigrant status, and you're still waiting and your case is pending and you're now out of status, it doesn't affect your authorized stay, because you're no longer in status, but you're not accruing unlawful presence because you sent in your application before your non-immigrant status expired. Make sense? So the next question is, if that's the case, when are you able to adjust your status so that you can maintain your non-immigrant status and not be out of status and get your application for your green card in on time? That's where we come to the issue of priority dates. That's where we come to the issue of the visa bulletin. Right now, the preference category for spouses of green card holders are not immediate relatives. Only relatives of citizens are considered immediate relatives, not all. We have minor children, we have parents, and we have spouses. Spouses of green card holder, on the other hand, are a preference category. So they're F2A. So what matters is this. There's a visa bulletin that the Department of State releases every month. That visa bulletin has what date, the priority date at which they're working on, so that if your date for which your I-130 that is spouse filed is on or before that date, you're eligible to now file for your green card. The good thing about right now as we speak, which can change, but that it has maintained itself the whole year so far, is that the F2A category for spouses and minor children of permanent residents is current. What does that mean? It means that if you are in the country right now, you get married to a green card holder, you are in valid non-immigrant status that's not expired, and you guys are ready to proceed with the marriage-based adjustment of status, you can actually do a one-step adjustment of status, meaning your spouse files an I-130, and you can apply for your green card all at the same time without having to wait for a visa to become available or a priority date, because across the board, that category right now is current. So that means anyone that falls within that category and is eligible to adjust their status in the country is able to file a one-step adjustment of status and send that in right now as we speak. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. Let's see if I have. Hi, how are you? I hope you're having a good day. So basically, that is, in a nutshell, the difference. Citizens have obviously have, more privileges than other categories. And another way is citizens can actually file for their brothers, married children, let's see, parents, and they can file fiancé petitions, different things that legal permanent residents can do. So that's one of the reasons why you become a citizen when you're eligible. So if you need help with your marriage-based applications, if you want to know whether your case specifically will qualify you to be able to adjust your status and you're considering getting married, you want to know the timeline, and it's a whole lot of information, you can contact us. My contact information is scrolling across the screen. And our number here is 334-341-4475. You can send me an email directly to AOS, that's my email, at olalawfirm.com, or you can send an email to my assistant caller at office@olalawfirm.com. Yeah, I am looking back because I see a lot of, my computer's always on, so I can see a lot of text messages and all that. I'm connected. I don't miss anything. It's crazy. See my gray hair? That's why I have gray hair. But anyway, thank you to all those who jumped on. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting, and please share this video. And just like I do on Instagram, I always put a post and say, hey, let me know what topics you want to hear the next time I'm on live. So the same thing applies. If you have topics that you want me to talk about, you would need my help. Okay, that's fine. That's what we're here to do, to help you. So if you need to contact my office, once again, the number is 334-341-4475, or send an email to aos@olalawfirm.com or office@olalawfirm.com. And you can go on a website and you can actually contact me through the website directly. So Thanks to all those who jumped on. And if you need, keep in mind, if you call my office, yeah, I can give you general information. That's one of the reasons why I do this lives and post a lot of information, so that if you don't necessarily have to pay for consultation and you feel that you can get information that you need for your case from all the posts and videos that I do, that's fine. However, if your case is more specific, then we would need to set up a proper consultation. It is $125, half an hour. What I do is I credit that towards the total fees if you retain my services within 45 days. So it's a win-win for everybody, right? So we can help you on that front as well. But trying to see, I'm hoping I have that all law firm correctly. I don't think I do. Yeah, I think I misspelled that. So hey, it is what it is. Life happens. I do asylum cases. Yes, we do asylum. And I'm not sure what you mean by asylum and bad marriage, but yes, I do asylum. If you want to set up a consultation, we can do that, so we can help you on your case. But until next time, everybody, and I think I misspelled that. It is what it is. Hopefully we're correcting next time. Okay. That's why you need to wear my glasses. Yeah. I don't like to wear glasses. It's just an obstruction, but you can tell my eyes need help. But anyway, thanks to all those who jumped on, and please share this video. I invite your friends to like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And until next time, everybody, thank you for all for watching. Bye-bye.